Welcome to our home and kitchen gadget review show. Today, we've brought you 5 amazing and practical products that will make your kitchen tasks easier, faster, and more enjoyable. First up, the Artego magnetic wrap dispenser. Sleek in design, it lets you cut foil, plastic wrap, or baking paper in seconds, and the magnetic base allows it to stick easily to your fridge. Next is the Joseph Spice Rack Organizer, perfect for those who love keeping their spices neatly arranged. It offers maximum storage in minimal space. To put an end to vegetable cutting hassles, we have the Fullstar vegetable chopper. In just a minute, large veggies turn into perfectly diced cubes or slices, and it's super easy to clean. For cheese lovers, there's the Zulay Rotary Cheese Grater. Simply turn the handle to grate cheese, nuts, or chocolate in no time. And finally, the Mistozer magnetic spice rack attaches magnetically to the side of your fridge, keeping essential spices and bottles within arm's reach while you cook. All product links are in the description. Check them out now. And for more kitchen hacks and product reviews, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Number 1. Tired of messy, tangled plastic wrap in your kitchen? Meet the Artego magnetic refillable plastic wrap dispenser. Picture this: prepping dinner, everything within easy reach. No more struggling with torn wrap or dangerous blades. Our two-way sliding blade ensures safe, clean cuts every time. Just slide. No risk to your fingers, no jagged edges. Magnetic base attaches securely to your fridge or any metal surface. Free up counter space and keep your wrap organized. Compatible with plastic wrap, tin foil, and parchment paper. Switch between materials in seconds, perfect for every kitchen task. Durable ABS material means long-lasting, odorless performance. Refill easily. Just check roll size for a perfect fit. Ideal for home cooks, bakers, and anyone who loves a tidy kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen routine with Artego's Smart Dispenser. Ready for safe, effortless wrapping? Click to order yours now. Number 2. Struggling with cluttered spice jars in your kitchen? Imagine instantly freeing up precious cupboard space. Meet the Joseph Spice Rack Organizer, your storage upgrade. This clever rack uses the wasted space beneath your shelf. Pull out the easy access compartment, no more digging for jars. Holds up to 7 standard spice jars, always within reach. No tools needed, just peel and stick with strong 3M VHB tape. Fits shelves over 12.6 inches wide, up to 75 inches thick. Installation takes seconds. Hold for 30 seconds, wait 24 hours. Non-marking adhesive means no damage to your cabinets. Drawer stop prevents spills, keeping everything organized. Maximize every inch of your kitchen, even in small spaces. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. Maintenance is effortless. Home cooks and organizers, this is your new kitchen essential. Upgrade your storage. Get the Joseph Spice Rack today. Number 3. Tired of endless chopping and messy counters? Meet the Fullstar 9-in-1 vegetable chopper, your kitchen game changer. Imagine prepping salads or stir-fries in minutes, not hours. Perfect for busy families, healthy eaters, and home cooks alike. 4 razor-sharp stainless steel blades, dice, julienne, spiralize, and more. Switch blades in seconds for perfect cuts every time. The spacious 1.5L catch tray handles big batches with ease. No more countertop mess. Everything stays neat and contained. Anti-slip bumper ensures stability and protects your surfaces. Enhanced pusher grip makes chopping safe and comfortable. Self-cleaning feature, just push a button and residue disappears. Cleanup takes seconds, so you spend more time enjoying meals. Includes juicer, egg slicer, and yolk splitter for ultimate versatility. Compact design fits any kitchen, saving space and time. Upgrade your meal prep. Faster, healthier, and hassle-free. Ready to transform your kitchen? Try Fullstar's 9-in-1 chopper today. Number 4. Tired of grating cheese by hand? Meet your new kitchen hero. Imagine prepping dinner, no more scraped knuckles or mess. The Zulay Rotary Cheese Grater keeps your hands safe, always. No blade touching, just load, push, and turn the handle. 5 interchangeable stainless steel drums, slice, shred, julienne, and more. From soft cheese to carrots, cucumbers, even nuts, effortless results. Grate cheese up to 18 times faster than by hand. Designed for both lefties and righties, everyone grates like a pro. The reinforced suction base locks securely, no slipping or tipping. Transparent, angled barrel ensures smooth, clog-free operation. All food contact parts are BPA-free and food-grade for peace of mind. Cleanup's a breeze. Hopper and blades are dishwasher safe. Compact storage box keeps everything organized in your kitchen. Family-owned Zulay offers a lifetime warranty, true kitchen confidence. Upgrade your kitchen routine. Safe, fast, and versatile grating awaits. Try the Zulay Rotary Cheese Grater today and love every meal prep. Number 5. Tired of cluttered counters and lost spices? Meet the Mistozer Magnetic Spice Rack, your kitchen's new hero. Picture this: spices organized right on your fridge. No more digging through crowded cabinets or messy drawers. The secret? Powerful built-in magnets for a secure hold. Just snap on to any metal surface. No tools, no hassle. Each rack holds up to 12 spice jars, neat and visible. That's 48 jars organized in one sleek 4-pack system. Durable plastic construction keeps everything stable and safe. Perfect for small kitchens and anyone craving more space. Free up your counters and maximize your fridge storage instantly. Installation is a breeze. Attach, slide, and you're done. Enjoy quick access to all your favorite seasonings. Upgrade your kitchen organization with Mistozer today. Ready for a smarter, tidier cooking experience? Click now and transform your kitchen in minutes.